This is a net zero ready home. It's comfortable, it costs less to heat and cool, and it's ready to supply its own energy needs in the future. By 2032, all new houses built in British Columbia will be like this home, which is approximately 80% more efficient than those built to the current 2018 BC Building Code. In 2022, houses will need to be 20% more energy efficient than those built to meet the requirements of the 2018 BC Building Code. By 2027, 5 years later, the requirements will increase again, and houses will need to be 40% more efficient than the current code. To prepare industry and local governments for this progression, the province of BC has introduced a clear pathway called the BC Energy Step Code that aligns with the Clean BC strategy released in 2018. Here's how a single-family Part 9 home is built to the BC Energy Step Code. All steps of this standard encourage the involvement of an energy advisor and require energy modeling, starting at the design phase of a new build. The energy model guides the air tightness, heating needs, and mechanical efficiency required to meet a certain step of the Energy Step Code. The requirements vary by the different climate zones of the province. To help builders in every zone achieve energy efficiency that matches their context, the Energy Step Code adjusts to local climate. This is important because a home in Prince George may require different solutions than one in Vancouver, and a home in Kelowna may have different needs than one in Kimberley. Let's look at the steps. Step 1 requires an energy model, but the required energy performance is equivalent to the 2018 BC Building Code. The middle steps, steps 2 and 3, require higher energy performance than the 2018 BC Building Code. To achieve these steps, building, design, and trades professionals can often rely on conventional building techniques with careful air sealing practices. They should collaborate with their energy advisor at the design phase to select the most cost-effective way to meet the requirements. For Part 9 buildings, Step 4 marks the beginning of the upper steps. To achieve the upper steps, builders and designers will need to adopt a more integrated approach and may need to incorporate more substantial changes in the building design, layout, framing techniques, mechanical system selection, and materials. Remember, by 2027, about 40% greater efficiency over the 2018 BC Building Code will be required province-wide. The top step in the BC Energy Step Code equates to a net zero energy-ready building, which is up to 80% more energy efficient than today's typical new building. To deliver on these new requirements, builders in British Columbia will need to refresh their skills and take a fully holistic approach to each project. The BC Energy Step Code will bring 3 key changes to the building process. 1. Involving an energy advisor and conducting energy modeling for every build. 2. Testing air tightness and achieving minimum performance levels. And 3. Using the performance pathway to achieve energy targets through performance measures instead of prescriptive requirements that were commonly relied upon previously. Everyone, builders, local governments, and clients, can benefit from knowing how the new buildings stack up because of the performance measures built into the standard. Meanwhile, BC's buildings will become more comfortable, energy efficient, lower cost to run, and contribute to a low-carbon, climate-wise future. There are a number of resources available about the BC Energy Step Code. To learn more, visit energystepcode.ca.